Hi there. Let's talk about extending your home. For most people, their homes and their houses will be the biggest assets that they own. So extending your home is a great way to either increase the value of your house or to extend the space if your family is growing or if you just want to create more space within your house. The key things to think about when you're extending your home is one, the value of your house, the value of the extension that you're adding on, because you don't want to put so much money into the extension that it becomes more than so that the bill cost becomes more than the value of your house, because it comes at a certain threshold. It's easier to just move and get a bigger house with all the spaces that you need. But if you can keep the budget cost for your extension below that threshold, it's a great way to add value to your home. The key things to think about is that you can have a single story extension, you can have a loft conversion, how are you going to access the space and how it's going to work with the existing space you have in your house. The best way to go about it is to get a professional who will give you good professional advice, and that will ensure that you get the best out of the project. There are different ways that you can get your permission. You can apply for full planning permission. Some extensions are permitted development, so you can have an extension of a certain size under permitted development. You can have a loft conversion under permitted development, and those are great ways to start to improve your home.